various layers of cover over the soul, and how to emerge original soul power, Param Shanti. Here it is discussed how soul is concealed by various layers of covers, why and when so many layers of cover obscure the power of soul, and how to emerge original power of soul through soul consciousness. Mostly souls travel in incorporeal form in groups in space from their place of origin out of curiosity and pleasure. Consider a soul starts traveling from G2, that is great universe, to other lower dimensions of creation like great universe, galaxy, solar system, etc. The soul in its place of origin is covered by a layer as per the atmosphere of creation. So a soul in great universe is covered by a layer of cover as per the atmosphere of G2, that is great universe. When this soul travels to G1, then another layer of cover superimposes on existing layer of cover as per the atmosphere of G1. In this way, when soul travels to universe, galaxy, solar system, etc., respective layers of covers as per the atmosphere of dimension of creations are added onto the soul. Incorporeal soul is covered by many layers of cover depending on the place of origin before reaching the supreme abode, that is Param Dham of our solar system, which is the entrance to any solar system. When soul further moves downwards to lower dimensions of creation like Shivpuri, Vishnupuri, Brahmalok and other 7 layers of creation in our solar system, more layers of covers keep on adding over the soul as per the atmosphere of respective layers of creation. When soul reaches Swarglok, the soul is covered with the layer of cover filled with tremendous illusionary experiences. When soul reaches the lowest dimension, that is earth, the soul is covered by a layer of air elements which form 3-element subtle body of soul. In this way, various layers of bodies of soul are created like physical body, subtle body, causal body, supreme causal body, etc. So wherever a soul goes, a cover is added over the soul according to the atmosphere of corresponding creation. After traveling for a long time in incorporeal form and subtle form, a desire arises in soul to experience the life of human form on earth. Even though it is a risk to soul, still those traveling souls take risk to take birth in human form in physical world. On earth, once the soul takes human form, the soul is covered by a layer of 5-element, which is our physical body. In this way, various layers of cover are added over incorporeal soul. Now, how to realize original pure soul consciousness? There are varieties of categories of soul present on earth based on place of their origin. The soul may be from other solar system, from distant galaxy, or from universe or great universes. It has already been explained in a separate video how multiple religions and sects have been established on earth based on different categories of souls from various dimensions of creations. Every soul is covered with various layers of covers depending on their place of origin. Even the souls of the solar system are also covered with various layers of cover. Each layer of cover is different from each other. The layer of cover nearest to the soul is known as mind. Then, subsequently, various subtle layers of covers are present, and outermost layer is the physical layer of cover. The original power of soul can be emerged only when the layers of covers are removed. For this, soul needs divine light or supreme light or Param Prakash to dissolve the covers on soul. For dissolution of layers of covers on soul, a soul needs to acquire knowledge of supreme light of Supreme Father Almighty Authority. Only when soul connects with Almighty Authority, then divine light is received in the soul, which can dissolve all covers on soul. First step is knowledge and then yoga or connection with Almighty Authority through constant remembrance of Almighty Authority. After acquiring supreme knowledge, soul also put efforts to realize soul consciousness and carry out all activities in constant remembrance of Almighty Authority. With persistent practice, a time comes when all layers of cover over the soul dissolves in the power of divine light of Almighty Authority, and soul realizes its original incorporeal state of supreme light. In true sense, soul's purest form is nothing but supreme divine light and no record present inside the soul. Various outer layers of covers above soul are nothing but records or impressions on soul created due to travel of soul through different dimensions of creation in space-time matrix. In order to emerge the pure soul power, all these records need to be burnt out completely in the divine power of Almighty Authority. The process of burning these karmic accounts in loving memory of Master or the Creator, Almighty Authority, is called as Yoga. This is the only process to abolish past sins. Through power of yoga or meditation, the power of Almighty Authority gradually remove the outer layers of covers on the soul. A time comes when soul will realizes its purest divine light form. This is the original seed state of soul which ever seeker in the physical form aspire to achieve. I would request everyone to click the I button to watch more related videos. We have amazing videos on New Earth, how to meditate, life on different planets, how Earth was formed, how to attain soul consciousness, and many more. For more English videos, you can check the English playlist. The video of the same is available in the Hindi. The link is in the description box. Thank you so much. Param Shanti.